Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today I want to show you a tool that I have been playing around with. And I think if you do Bible journaling, or you could just use it in your general crafting, it's really useful. So I've been doing some Bible journaling, and I did find, of course, a pink spotty one to work in because, well, you know me, pink and the spots. So I'm just going to pick a random page, and this is one that I'm still very much working in. There's lots and lots of empty pages, and I'm by no means an expert. I'm not ready to be doing tutorials or anything, but this is the tool from Art Impressions, and you don't have to use it with Art Impression Stamp. That's obviously what it's designed for, but I wanted to show it to you because what you do is you slide the page in that you're working with like this, and it works with pretty much any of the standard sizes. And then what you can do is you can cover up the part of the page that you don't want to ink or splatter or any of those things, and then you can just work on this part of your page. So if you have a large stamp and you want to mask this side of your page, you can stamp, you could use your Nouveau mousses, you could stencil, you could ink, you can paste, you can do all of those things. And then you of course make as much mess as you want, but this part of your page is protected. You can also use it the other way, so you can tuck this underneath. If you've embellished this part of your page, you can protect it, and then you can work on this side of your page, and then you can kind of tuck it all the way in and work on this side of your page. So I've really been enjoying that because sometimes I do this part of the page and I want to come back and do this part, or vice versa. So I think this is a really cool tool. It's also really great when I'm working on my general cards because, of course, if I want to do something like a gatefold card, so imagine that I had my gatefold like this. Sometimes I'm doing parts of my gatefold and I want to protect. I'm just kind of improvising. But again, I can do that same thing of I want to work on just one part of my gatefold, and I can just pop this in like this, and then I work on here. And then conversely, when I want to work on the other part of my gatefold, I can then just pop it through here like this. So you'll see me using this a lot in my general crafting, but I also really like the fact that I use it for the protector sheet. When I was at the Akron Stamp Show, I did buy a couple of the Art Impressions Bible journaling stamp sets, but I've just kind of been playing around with the idea. Maddie and I have been crafting together and things with it. So I just wanted to share it with you. I think it's a really cool tool if you are a Bible journaler. I think you would get great value out of this tool. It's less than $10, and I just thought it was a really neat idea. So I wanted to share it with you. Just a quick tip video, one of our 2-minute tips. I may even have kept to that 2-minute time frame, you never know. But don't forget to check out the links, of course, in the video description. Join our channel perks program. As always, hit that join button or use the link in the top right-hand corner. And hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow with another tip, trick, tutorial, or something else. And if you have a video request, drop them in the comments section below, and I will see you again. Happy crafting, everyone. See you soon. Bye.